In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not showing all my emails. This is a common issue many users face, and I will guide you through effective steps to resolve it. You will find that these solutions are straightforward and can be done quickly. Let's dive in. To start, open Gmail in a web browser. This action is essential because it ensures you are using the most updated version of Gmail. If you are using a mobile app, some features may not be accessible. Once Gmail loads, you will see your inbox and various options on the interface. This step sets the stage for deeper exploration into your email account so you can locate those missing messages. Next, click the Show Search Options icon in the search bar. This icon looks like a small downward arrow and is located at the right end of the search field. By clicking this, you will open a drop-down menu with various search parameters. This is important because a more targeted search can help you find specific emails that might not be visible in your inbox. Once the options appear, you can customize your search to include various folders and categories. Under Search, select Mail, Spam, and Bin. This step expands your search to include emails that may have inadvertently ended up in your spam or trash folders. By including these categories, you maximize your chances of locating your missing emails. After setting this up, go ahead and search for the missing email. You may be surprised at what turns up, and this streamlined approach saves you time in the long run. After searching, let's check your spam and trash folders. In Gmail, open Spam first. You will see a list of emails that Gmail has flagged as potential spam. Sometimes important emails get incorrectly categorized as spam, so it is worth checking. If you find the email you are looking for, ensure you move it back to your inbox. This step is crucial because it ensures that important communications are not overlooked. Now, let's open Trash, which is also known as Bin. Here, you will find emails that you or Gmail have deleted recently. It's possible that the missing email was accidentally deleted. If you find it here, select the email and move it back to your inbox as well. This will restore the email and you will have it back in your primary view. This step provides peace of mind knowing that you have retrieved your email successfully. Next up, we will check All Mail. In the left sidebar, click on All Mail. This section contains all your emails, including those that are archived. It's crucial to remember that if an email is archived, it will not appear in your inbox. By checking this section, you can ensure you are not missing any emails that you might have archived previously. Look for the missing email here. If you find it in All Mail but not in your inbox, it may have been archived. This is a common occurrence, and understanding how archiving works will help you manage your emails better in the future. Now, let's check your inbox categories. Go to Settings and then click on Inbox. In this section, you will see options for primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. Review these tabs carefully. Sometimes emails are automatically sorted into these categories, which can make them hard to find. If you notice that a category is toggled off, turn it on. This ensures that emails in those categories get displayed in your inbox. Finally, go back to your inbox and look for missing emails in other categories. This step allows you to find any emails that may have been automatically sorted. By following these steps, you should be able to locate any missing emails effectively. With these tips, you are well on your way to ensuring your Gmail account is organized and functioning correctly. If you have followed all these steps and are still having trouble, it might be worth checking for any settings or filters that could be impacting your email visibility. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.